Dave Pineapple here. I'm here with Bobby Pineapple. And we're going to Jack Pineapple's house. We're going to go to the swim club, Riverside Swim Club. Just doing this video for no reason because I'm bored. So, I know. We're going to Jack Pineapple's house. We're going to ask her if she could come. Yeah. So, I guess we're just going on a bike ride. We're to get to Jack Pineapple's
Most people
house.
looked at us like we were super weird.
Yeah. Like, there were some weird people back there. Pretty creepy. They're going to Chloe Hader's house. Bobby, yeah, yesterday I saw Chloe play. I saw Chloe and Jack were riding electric scooters and they were like playing and stuff. So Chloe's a hater. Yeah, she's one of the worst.
For sure, I know.
Yeah, she's. Unless maybe she's at her friend's house or something. So, yeah. Or Jack Pineapple's house.
Look at
The famous Frank Lloyd Wright house. Huh? Yeah. It's like called.
Today I was looking at those videos that they were really weird. Like my first videos I ever was looking at those first videos.
It's your house. We're at her house here now. See your mom.
Hello, boys.
Good shape, boy.
Here, come on in real quick, okay?
Okay.
Let me see if I'll run up.
It's Cody. It's Kobe. Yeah, stop. See if she's home. Let's go see the drums. Let's go see if she's still there. Here are drums. Oh, the piano's here. The drums. Wait, there's a piano? It's pretty popular. This one's a nice one. This one's
It's yum.
Wait, no, don't show that.
And if you get copyright strikes, then eventually it's taken off YouTube. So that's not gonna happen.
Wait, what are you talking? What's a copyright? Hey, that's my phone. Wait, why would they copyright that? Why would someone?
Okay. Work. Okay. Stop. We're just gonna cut the video until she gets back. So we'll see.
Here she is.
Yeah. 1 second.
We're back.
Hey guys,
Hi.
what's up?
Go. Hey, whoops. Did I get Jack's back?
Oh, she went out there. We gotta go.
Oh, she went to the garage.
Hey guys, make sure she's home at 4, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Wait, can she go to the swim club with us?
Absolutely, but she's gonna need
Okay.
plenty of time.
Okay. Okay.
So
Jack has to be home by 4. That is so important.
Abe has a YouTube. You're making a video. Oh, okay. Hi. This
Here's
kid is
Jack Pineapple.
Sup? There's a famous actor staying in my house. I know, I saw him. I was like, I thought it was your dad. I don't know why.
Yeah.
Wait,
Me too.
who is he? He's a famous actor.
Okay. I guess that's the end of the video. Stay pineapple and we'll stay in touch.
A new